How to flip the player. Hi guys, if you run the game and if you press the right arrow key, everything is fine. The player go forward and is facing right, but if you press the left arrow key, the player go in the left direction but is still facing right. So this is an issue to correct. Guys, to avoid that, you must change the X value of the scale by putting the opposite value. So if I put a minus here, this time the player is facing left, and if I click to the left arrow, you can see that everything is fine. Guys, let's return to Visual Studio to see how to code that. So here is the strategy to make the player flip. First, you must create a Boolean variable to know if the player is facing right. Second, if we press the left arrow key and if the player is facing right, we must flip the player. Third, we must also change the is facing right Boolean to its opposite value to avoid to return inside the if statement, I mean this statement. And fourth, we must redo the step 2 and 3 when we press the right arrow key and if the player is not facing right. Let's do that, guys. Okay guys, let's create the variable. I will copy this line and pasting here in the variable zone. So now I have to assign it. So let's copy the variable, Control C, and then I will paste it here, and I have to give a value. At the beginning, the player, if you remember, is facing right, so I will write here that is facing right, so it's true. Then I have to manipulate on creating a method. So let's call this method the flip method. So flip, 2 bracket and 2 curly bracket. Now I have to write some line of code. So guys, let's see the second step of our strategy. So if I press the left arrow and if the player is facing on the right direction, I mean the wrong direction, we must flip the player. So this is this line of code. So I will copy it and I will paste it inside the flip method. So I repeat, if I press the left arrow key and if the player has got the wrong direction, I mean is facing right instead of facing left, we must we must change the scale. How to change the scale? You must type transform dot local scale equal to new vector 3, and inside we must change only the x value by its opposite one, so minus transform dot local scale dot x, and the other one we must not change them, so it's transform dot local scale dot y direction and transform dot local scale dot z direction, and that's it, guys. Once the player is facing in the left direction, we must avoid to return inside the if statement. So to do that, we must change the value of this boolean. So let's copy that, let's paste it, and I have to write that I want the opposite value. So to write the opposite value, I have to put just before the is facing right variable exclamation mark. So let's do the same things for the right arrow. So I will copy that and I will paste it here, and I have just to change this part which was inferior by superior. It means that I am selecting the right arrow key, and this time if the is facing right is equal to false, I have to repeat those codes. Guys, the next step is to call the flip method inside the update method. So Control C, and here just below the vertical movement method I will copy it, and let's save the script. Let's return to Unity and let's run the game on pressing this arrow. So guys, if I press the right arrow key, the player continue to face right. If I'm pressing the left arrow key, the player is facing left this time. So everything is fine. Hooray! Guys, I want to show you something. If we return to Visual Studio, actually we have typed two if statements for exactly the same line of code. So to reduce the number of if statements, I mean we can just copy the second condition, so Control C, and say to Visual Studio to apply the same line of code for the second condition. I mean I will show you the OR operation, I mean OR logical expression, which is two bars, vertical bars. So if then I copy that as I told you, so Control C, if I repeat that, so you will see we will have the same effect. So I will delete this part and let's save that script and return to Unity, and once again let's run the game to see if we've got the exact same things. So if I press the right arrow, okay, the guys is facing right. If I'm pressing the left arrow, is facing left. So everything is fine and everything is working well. Guys, to flip the player, you must change its local scale on typing transform that local scale equal new vector 3, and you just need to change the x value and keep constant the two others one. Guys, let's see in the next video to know how to animate our player.